Hey everybody, welcome back to Tiny Cabin Life. I'm super excited today because I'm going to a place I've never been before. We're headed to Richard J. Dorer. It's supposed to be just a beautiful state forest in southeastern Minnesota. It's a whole new region of this state for me to explore. All right, this is it. All right, so now that we're in here, we're gonna see if we can make it to the campground. I was told there's a bit of a hill getting up there. Now this isn't a lot of snow, but it does look icy. I'm towing a big trailer. I would have no issue getting up this with my car. Here's the hill. Oh geez, yeah, this is a hill. I got it. Oh shoot, man. Yeah, this is a hill. Okay. Woo! Can I make it? I made it. I made it. Wow. Let's see if we can get a sight with a view of the bluffs, maybe. Oh my gosh, this is the best sight. Look at this. Look at the view. Man, feels like we're in the mountains. This is great. Check it out. Look, come on up. Yeah, there you go, girl. There you go. I'm really excited to say that I finally have a new power station for the travel cabin. I run out of juice sometimes, and so that's why I'm so stoked to have this Bluetti AC200P. It's 2,000 watts. We're gonna be testing it out on this trip. I'm gonna run our diesel heater, I'm gonna run our refrigerator, I'm gonna run our lights, and I'm not gonna be careful at all because I wanna see how much this thing can take and how much juice we go through. So as you can see, we've got a really nice screen here that helps us see all the power that's either going in or out. We got to turn our DC on. We're going to turn that on. That's going to power our diesel heater, among other things. We'll turn our AC on as well, and that's going to power all of our lights. Let's see if we're working. Yep. What about our fridge? Fridge has power. Everything is working. Now we can finally set up the heater and get this thing warm. Well guys, while our diesel heater kicks on, I want to show you something brand new that I added. There's just a little magnetic strip down here where I can attach this light. It attaches right on there. So that's gonna help me have light if I have to mess with the heater or refill fuel or anything like that in the middle of the night. Figure while we wait for the cabin to heat up a little bit, we can get the lay of the land. What's so great about this forest is we are in these bluffs. If you look, you can see hills there. We've got a big hill back here, which we're gonna hike up later. And we've got this river, the Zumbro River, that is weaving through this valley. This is what southeastern Minnesota is really known for, is having these bluffs and being on the river. The Mississippi is like not very far away at all. The campground is completely deserted. We've got sites all over here. We're the only ones. What I love about this campground, we've got all these pines. There's red pine and white pine here. And I'm a sucker for pine trees. I just am. I'm really impressed with this place. It's just stunning. Before we go on our hike, making a little lunch, just like a quick little noodle bowl. Now while we wait for the noodles to soften up, let's take a look at our map and find out where we're gonna hike to. So it looks like we've got just about a mile hike to go to this corner and up to the Overlook. This is the Zumbro River, and our campground is right down here. Look how close to the Mississippi River we are. I'm sure you all have seen ramen noodles before, but out here in the cold, it looks pretty dang good. Keep us safe and help us to have a great time. Amen. It's a ramen noodle. Pretty spicy, honestly. It's like a little mushroom there. Let's see how it is. I think it is time we go on our hike. I'm really excited to see this overlook. Does this thing actually work? Oh my gosh, this would be amazing. Yeah, look! Little drinking fountain. I've used plenty of hand pumps in my day. In fact, we have one up at my family cabin. I've never seen one converted into a drinking fountain like that. That's incredible. All right, this is it. So as you can tell, this side of the bluff does not get the sunlight that the other side does that we were on. That bluff over there is getting blasted and you don't see any snow. This side, there's a lot of snow, you know, relatively speaking. The sun is up here. It means we must be topping out. Whoa! Oh man! Oh, look at this, Elle! Wow! It's pretty nice, huh? So unbelievably beautiful. You know, I think a lot of us that are from Minnesota just sort of stick to where we grew up, and then we think we have to leave to go find beauty like this. But man, this state has got so much to offer. Come on now, let's go. Okay. After that hike, I am really hungry. I'm going to be making some beef and potatoes in our cast iron Dutch oven over the fire. Wow, what a treat this is to be out here without my coat on. Sunset, doesn't get much better. Thank you so much for keeping us safe and for this experience. We love it and we're grateful. Amen. Time to take the first bite. It's good. It's really good. Want to taste? Come on. There you go. Wow. You'd think she's never gone on a hike before. Okay, so now that we're in the cabin for the night, I want to check on our Bluetti and see how it's handling all the lights, the diesel heater, the fridge, everything. And yeah, just check the power level. All right, guys, we are at 83%. That's pretty good. I'm feeling good about it. We'll see how much it draws overnight. Holy cow. That's a bunch of coyotes and now dogs chiming in. I heard something inside and I was like, are there people out there? And came out and sure enough, coyotes and dogs. All right, we got a full tank. Yeah, it's cold out there. Let's see what the temp is. It's, well, it's 28. Guess it could be a lot worse, but it felt very, very cold. It's officially bedtime, guys. Man, what an awesome day. I got to get back to the cities pretty early, so we're going to wake up at 5 a.m. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. I have work today. Well, guys, I hate to say it, but it's time to pack up and get out of here. But before we do, I want to check our Bluetti power station and see how much juice we have. So we have 18% left. You know, it's definitely a lot of juice we went through, but it held out for an entire 24 hours basically. And we also have the ability to charge it with our solar panels, which we have here at the cabin, as well as a 12 volt in the car. So there's means of, you know, recharging it back up. But, you know, I'm impressed. So if you're looking for a heavy duty power station of your own, Bluetti has you covered. Just follow the link in the description of this video to check out their products. They're having a holiday sale and I cannot recommend it. All right, guys, that is going to do it for our video. Thank you so much for watching. Man, I'm just in love with this place now. The bluffs, the rivers, the trails, the pines, everything. It's just incredible. Thank you, as always, for your support. If you're liking these videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I want to thank Bluetti for the amazing new power station. It works great. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. We'll see you later.